Hello, hello. How is everybody doing? This is Henny from OmniSaaS Global. Today is September 17th. It marks as the 17th day of running full marathon in 19 days. So far, the journey was good. I've been averaging 6 miles, but I'm here to announce you that I'm ready for the new challenge. So today, I'm pushing myself to hit 9 miles in a session. So, how was my experience so far? Let me tell you something. It's not easy. So, I have a couple of incidents that I mentioned in my past videos that I throw up. I had a couple of incidents where I am about to stop, but throughout my sessions, I was gaining momentum throughout the time. It was not easy at the beginning, but last time I checked, I was comfortable running 6 miles now. So as the time goes, so it's better to put you another challenge in front. So the next milestone is for me to hit 9 miles. So today marks the beginning of the new milestone. So I'm super motivated and super excited. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, let me recap you. Why am I doing this? For those of you who jump on this video or have seen a couple of my previous videos of 19 days of running full marathon, this is mainly applicable for everybody, but my focus is for business owners. So what I'm trying to convince myself at the same time challenge other folks is, as a businessman, I want to make sure I am building self-sustaining business. What I mean by that. So most people confuse business or building business as, okay, I have a couple of employees in my payroll. I have business running, couple of transaction and the stuff like that. That's well and good, but that doesn't tell the entirety about business. So my definition of business or the real business is like, does it require you? Can you buy your freedom out of that business? Is it going to be functional without you involved in it? Let's say if you take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months vacation, are your business gonna stay functional? Or are you thinking about your business while you're in vacation? Or you gotta shut your business because you cannot afford to go? So those kind of things basically. So to give you some context, the Robert Kiyosaki puts Cashflow Quadrant, and it just separates different peoples. They put in them in different quadrant for their behaviors and their functionality in the cash flow basically. So the first one is employees. That's where you get a fixed income for fixed amount of time you put for your employees. And the second one is self-employed. Those are folks who are working for them and they can work as many hours they can. They are skilled person. They could be professional, the style handymans. They pretty much have literally good amount of freedom compared to the employees, but they are there for their business. Pretty much they are working in the business. And the third quadrant is business owner. So most people confuse the business owner and self-employees. So business owners build system that sustain itself, that's run by itself without you involving in the daily operations of the business. So if you can able to take your time out of the business and do your personal thing and whatever pleases you, you have decent business that's run by itself. So that's what I'm planning for every business owner or entrepreneur to be in. And the first one is investor. So the transition or the immediate next phase for business owners is when they build their business and at some point they can get money from their business. So that's the ideal scenario for most entrepreneur. You build your business and sell at some point. So that's why it's recommended when you start your business, design as if you're going to sell it someday. So what is the immediate next step for business owners? The immediate next step is investor. Basically, that's where your money works for yourself. Pretty much you have money and you inject your money in some profitable business and that money works for you 24/7. That's what venture capitalists do. Basically, they just look for a strategic business and they inject money and their money works 24/7. So this is just to clarify what cash flow quadrants means. And so the main motivation of 90 days challenge is as a proof of concept. What are you building? Are you self-employees that your business or business require you to be functional? Or are you building business that's self-sustained and work for itself by itself physically? So I just want to use this 90 days challenge for every business owner, entrepreneur to pick whatever thing they have in their bucket list and carve out sometimes to self-check their business, basically. Yeah. So in my case, the challenge is going well. I'm managing it, and running full marathon is one of my, and I want to achieve that. So for you, it could be something else, anything. You can just pick one and just you can kill two birds in one stone. Basically, you are achieving what you want to achieve in life at the same time proving your concept of business, whether your business is on the right track or meet the definition of building a business. So these are just recap on what the objective of the challenge. So today marks September 17th. The weather looks good and I'm gonna start running for the day. Thanks for following. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, share the message, and stay tuned for the next session. Thank you.